Do you want to post these types of videos, but you don't know how to create them? It's not difficult. Just look at the amount of engagement and views people are getting on Instagram by creating these clips. Just take a look at this Instagram account. There are videos of dancing spaghetti going viral and getting tons of comments and likes. They have even made dancing videos of other things like cacti, leaves, and paper, which is really cool. Let's watch an example. Let's outline the stages of creating a video. First, we generate a photo using the Leonardo AI website. Next, we will convert this image into a video using the LumaLabs website. Then, we will have a completed video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first step is to create an image with Leonardo AI. So, search for Leonardo AI on Google, click on the website, and then hit Get Started. Choose an option to sign in. Once logged in, click on the Image Creation button. Now, change all your settings to the same ones that I have. Paste the prompt that you find in this video's description into the text box and hit Generate. Just wait a few moments and the picture will be created for you. Here, we can see 4 images generated. To download, simply click on this icon. Okay, the first step is complete. Now, let's turn this image into a video using the LumaLabs website. Search for LumaLabs and click on the website. Click on the Sign in with Google option and register using your Google account. Click on this image icon and select the picture you have downloaded from Leonardo AI. Copy and paste the prompt that's in the video description in the section, then click on this icon. Just like that, we now have a video. Here, you can view the result of the video. Just click on the download option to download it. Thanks for watching.